Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to disable and turn off UI navigation in Roblox. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Alright, so let's get into it. I already have Roblox installed and opened on my device. As you can see here, I'm moving around on my Roblox map. So how can you turn off or disable the UI navigation block on Roblox? It's quite simple. Use the escape key on your keyboard. This is Roblox on PC. So use the escape key. Once you've selected the escape key, head into your settings menu. Once on your settings menu, simply scroll till you find where we have UI navigation toggle. So this UI navigation toggle, the slash key or backslide key that's used to enter and exit the UI navigation mode, is currently turned off. If you were to turn this back on, you would have restrictions when you use the back slide key or even make a mistake and touch that key while you're gaming. So just simply turn this toggle off to avoid mistakes like that. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you.